Hello pilots, welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can import contacts using a Excel file in Lance Pilot. So first of all, you want to go to the contacts import section, and here you can see two options, one for importing and one for downloading a blank sheet. This download blank sheet button will allow you to download a example file which you can examine and check the structure, and based on that structure you can create the file and import it using this option. So if I click on download blank sheet, I can see two options, Excel or CSV. If I click Excel, it is actually going to download a blank sheet. It is actually going to allow me to download a blank sheet, and I can check the structures. So if I just save this file and view this file, as you can see, it is completely empty, but there are some header labels. So name, number, email, and gender. So here, when you create your file, you need to make sure these labels are exactly the way it is. So you cannot write like phone here or something like that, or _number. You have to label it number like this. But the order can be different, so the email can be here or the name can be here. It's not a problem, but the label has to be the same. So number should be number, email should be email, gender should be gender, and name should be name. If you have any custom fields, then it is going to be added here when you download the blank sheet after adding the custom field. So let me just show you. If I come here on the custom field section, I create a custom field called LinkedIn URL. Then I go to the import section, download another blank sheet, save it, and if I open this file, as you can see, that LinkedIn URL is also added like here. So this is how you should structure your file. And after you have structured your file like that, you can come here on the import section. Click on the import option and give this import a name, maybe just for your reference, so that you can identify this. So let's just say contacts first import and choose a file. I actually have a new file that is structured that way, so I'm just going to select that, open, and I can select any group that I want these contacts to be imported to, or I can just keep it empty and import the contacts to just not keep it in any group. So if I just click personal and import contacts, as you can see, my contacts are imported in this personal group. 3 inputs were successful, 0 were failed. So for many reasons, your import could be failed, and if it is failed, it is going to show the number of failed imports. You can see what went wrong for these failed importing by clicking this 3-dot icon, and there is going to be another option called view errors. So here it is not, there's no button called view errors because there are no errors. So let me just show you by putting some errors in my file and importing it. Now if I click import and say invalid contacts, choose a file, I'm going to select the file that has errors, and I'm going to select personal here as well. Then we're going to import the contacts. As you can see, it says 0 imported successfully and 1 failed. Now I can come here, click on this 3-dot icon. I can see the errors. So if I click this, you can see it says the number field is required on row 2, meaning my number field is missing. It cannot detect the number field. So if you just view the file, let me just show you the file. So here the head label is called phone, not number. So this is the issue actually. So the head labels, for example, the name, phone, email, and all the custom fields that you have must be the same. It cannot be different. Because it is phone and not number, it is actually showing me this error, which is the number field is required, because it couldn't find any number field there, because there is no number field. So you have to rename it to number, and then it is going to work. So that is how you import contacts into Lance Pilot using your Excel file, and you can the same for CSV. You can try with CSV. I'm not showing it in this video. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video.